Oh, I just got up. And it looks nice out, so I'm going to try and get out and do stuff. Because things are starting to open up again, apparently. I've seen a bunch of restaurants starting to get opened up around where I am. I've seen news stories of how everything's starting to open up. That's kind of scary in a way because we haven't gotten coronavirus under control, but in a way I haven't really been, staying inside. So let's see what happens. Well, I just got done editing the time-lapse thing. That little part of the video that you guys just saw. That part of the video was actually at... let me look it up here. Anyway, that part of the video with all the nature and stuff was at Father Hennepin Bluff Park. So really? That close? Just a second here. But it's about where I was is about a quarter mile, give or take, from the St. Anthony Falls Laboratory, which is a U of M thing. Didn't realize that. Water Tower Park. Oh, it already closed. It's 8 o'clock and that park is closed. I might have to go there sometime. Thing is, I don't know if I've ever been there before. It looks familiar from what I've seen from the pictures, but the pictures show stuff that looks like it's on the other side of the river from the park. Anyway, tomorrow, stand up. Tomorrow, there's a free meal happening. Like I said, they're bringing everything back. They're starting to open everything up. And I'm starting to go back to those free meal things. Because I like food. I did find something out today, though. I'm a lot more out of shape than I thought I was. that, granted, it was hot outside today and humid. It wasn't really like hot, but it was humid. So that affected everything. Then the fact that I haven't been outside in a while affected everything. I haven't really done much when it comes to exercise or walking or, whatever. So I've just kind of been worn out pretty much since before I got back after that last clip of the whole part with the music. What do you call that part, though? That whole thing where it's got like video clips and it's got music over it. What do you guys call that? Is that a time lapse, or is that something else, or whatever? I want to hear what you guys call that. Anyway, I've been trying to keep myself awake for a while just so I could get that video edited. If you guys were paying attention, you should have seen that video uploaded to my channel around the same time as I'm recording this now. I did take a bunch of Instagram photos of what happened today, so check that out. The link to that is in the description. All you need to do is click on the link. If you have the app, it should open it right away in the app. You can just follow me there. If I'm doing anything, my Instagram will show you what I'm doing, so you can get kind of an idea of what I'm doing before I release the video for that day. So well, it's 10 o'clock and I haven't been to sleep yet, which I've kind of been wanting to take a nap all day, but I've kind of been holding out. I want to be trying to get my sleep schedule back to normal because, well, it's starting to get there. But I've still been having a little bit of an issue with my sleep schedule. So anyway, long and short of it, I'm ending the video. If you made it this far, let me know by giving the video a like, subscribe if you haven't, hit that bell notification. Let me know if you think I should use any of the footage that I got earlier today or any of the location in my Slenderman video that I want to make.